This conference will now be recorded.
One second, one of my Korea is not joined.
Okay. You spoke to David?
How's the day going today? It's good.
Same thing. Nothing new. You spoke to David?
Cases day by day cases is reducing, right?
No, here it's increasing.
Sorry?
It's increasing here.
Yeah, increasing. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Because you know what? Trump doesn't want to shut down the states. The reason being, share market will crash and his money will go to the dogs. So he's rather happy
But
with
in India, completely shut down up to next month 15. But
15th. Yeah.
yeah, but day by day, if they're in, if there's some other people staying in home and some people not recognized to this in not staying in home,
Hmm.
so day by day, people, cases is increasing.
Right. What can be done
Yeah.
though?
So yesterday class have any doubts?
I was about to move to New Jersey in the townhouse, the apartments that Benchteq gives. But then this virus thing happened, and there was no ways we could move because there are three people from the house who are doing this. So my wife
Okay.
and my sister-in-law, she's learning Java automation, and
Okay.
I am into this. But the guy who's training them, they are unable
Okay.
to understand him because the way we interact, I and you, we
Yeah.
so it's different with them. He's only training them for bolte na khali training hai training, so he's doing it.
Okay.
So they've stopped asking him questions now because if you probably ask him questions, then he's like, this is not the right time to ask questions. So yeah.
Okay. So in the Java training is good or?
Java automation, I'm not sure, sir. I'm new to all that stuff. So I said, you guys see what can, because here again, see what is going to happen is one, even after me, after I get
Yeah.
trained, I'll still have to take support help. I don't think I can do things on my own
Yes,
for a
yes,
month
yes,
or
yes,
two at
yes.
least. Yeah,
I mean, don't worry about the support, everything. Okay, I can handle it.
yeah.
Me
So that
or
is,
one of my friend, okay, I
hmm,
can handle it. Don't worry. Once you crack the job, actually,
yeah.
if you're there in India, so
Uh,
in proxy support, I can give you.
oh, okay.
Means I tell you now, means direct you in telephonic interview,
Hmm.
I can handle it. But I'm very worried about the in Skype interviews.
Skype, yeah.
Yeah, in the face-to-face interview, no, I'm not fear anything. I
Yeah.
face a lot.
You never know what's going to happen. I think now with the present situation in the States, I think
Yeah.
now they're needing people to work for, and with the present scenario, they're not getting people. So I
Okay.
see things have to happen. Well, this at times things happen for a reason. Let's see how it goes. You spoke to Niven? Surya is getting bored
No,
now.
no. Sir, you're getting bored.
Yes, I was listening.
He's only listening. Yeah.
Actually, the Surya is guided for
Yeah,
to
I'm
go for
also
the
from
Canada.
Canada.
Huh?
I'm
Actually,
also in
Surya is
Canada, Melbourne.
Oh, you in Canada?
yeah, he is
Yeah,
the
in
guidance for
Montreal.
me.
Oh, so what's the time zone? EST or PST?
Canada, man, EST, yeah.
EST. Okay.
EST.
Okay. Okay. Cool. So I've got one more partner, just like me. I think Surya knows more than what I do.
I don't know nothing. This is new learning for me. I was
Yeah.
into like quality testing before.
Uh-huh.
Still, I'm studying here.
Okay. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. Yes. You
Shiva,
have to
man.
talk to Nivan. Shiva. He was waiting for you
Oh, I'm really sorry. After this class, I will call. I will call.
because he
Definitely.
thinks I'm lying to him and I'm not passing you his number. He's told me this twice.
Actually, really, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Today I will call. Actually, what
Okay.
I've said that, what I'm thinking that present situation is bad now. So, in the Nibin is facing any some issues or this is not right time to talk now. And coronavirus is spreading so in US and Canada.
These Canadians are the worst. Don't take me wrong, Surya. They're getting they're getting the virus from the border. They tell us saying that the borders are closed, but the Canadians are still migrating over to the States because of the cold thing. They all move into Texas and Florida. So the border has to close. I see any Canadian guest checking in. I'm like 6 feet away from him. I don't want to even talk to him.
Yeah, okay. Shall we start the class?
Yeah, yes, sir. So
15
sorry.
minutes is going. Okay.
Okay.
After the class, okay, we will discuss some
Okay,
matters.
fine. All right.
Yeah. So yesterday we discussed about the some security features, right? Means object level security, record level security, and the field level security, right?
Feel it. Yeah.
See, this is comes under to this what? This is a tab bar, right?
Tab.
Right. This is a tab
Yeah.
bar. Means in the tabs will be represented. In the tabs will be UI represented means object. The professor is the object, right?
Mm-hmm.
The professor and departments, extracurricular activities, tuitions, orders, and order details. These are the order. Sorry, these all are the objects. Correct. And this is the application level. This is the applications. Whatever, if you created any, if you create in the app menu, they have the standard applications as well as the custom applications.
Right.
Okay. So in the security level, what they're mainly focusing on to be all users can't be seen on the every data.
Mm-hmm.
One second, one second. Wait. Yeah, I'm really sorry.
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay. So mainly why we using on the security features means all users can't see the every data. All users can't see on the every data. Okay.
Right.
So that's the reason we created on the object level, record level, and the field level.
Right.
Okay. So let's see. Yesterday we created on the one profile, right?
Yeah.
Today we created one profile and user.
Right.
That is Melvin.
Correct.
He is the standard platform user. Okay. First of all, I log in into the Melvin account. Okay. There is the username. See, if you log in onto this one account to this another account means, okay, use the another browser. Use on another browser, not in one single browser. Okay.
Right.
In one single browser, we can log in on one single account only. One single account only. But different domains, we can use it. Different domains, we can use it. Means, I already told you now, developer or SAT, UID, and production. SAT,
Right.
developer, SAT, UID, and production. These four are the different domains. Different domains. Okay.
Okay.
So these four are you working on single browser. These four applications are working on one single browser. But
Right.
single domain, okay, one single domain, we can access on the two users. In two users, one single browser is not acceptable. In one single browser, only accept on one single user only. One single user only. Clear? Have
Okay.
any confusing?
Clear.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Six, four, three, seven. See, you just you can see this one in the Melvin account. This is the Melvin account, right?
Right.
This is what Melvin account.
Right.
This is Shiva account. This is Shiva account. But you can see these are all are the applications. These are the applications, standard
Correct.
applications, right? When compared to this Melvin account, only platform application and EDU external orders means these two standard applications. Sorry, custom
Right.
applications. These two are the custom applications. One is the our application, okay, and this is one the external application. You can install a package and you can synchronize our organization, our Salesforce.
Okay.
In this application, when we create on the relationships, right? External lookup relationship and indirect lookup relationship. Yesterday in Japan, external lookup relationship. So these two applications only visible on Melvin and Melvin account. Okay.
Right.
So let's see EDU, but in EDU you don't have any access to the standard objects. Sorry, custom objects. No access on the custom objects.
Okay.
The education, you have any access in the object level? No, right? You have any? You see the
No.
objects, student, professor.
No.
You see in all tabs? No, right? This is
No.
called as the object level permissions. This is called as the object level permissions.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to see on the all objects, then again go to the profile. So which profile you have set? Standard platform
Standard
user.
platform users.
Standard platform user, right? Standard platform user. don't have any access to this. This is the custom object. This is the
Right.
external object permissions. So
Okay.
you don't have, you have no access to these. All are the custom and the external objects. Custom and the
Okay.
external objects. You see this one: read, create, edit, delete. This is the card permissions. Card. CRUD. CRUD. Okay. C means create. R means read. And U means again. Please mute
Yeah.
your mic.
Okay.
Delete. Okay. Third permissions means create, read, update, and delete. Means update or edit. Update or edit. Okay. So on which user you need to create the records and read the records and edit the records and delete the records. Okay. So in the professor only student records, in the professor only student records only read and create permissions. Okay. This is the card permissions. Okay. This is organization. Okay. This is the organization. Okay. And this is one is the HOD. Is the HOD.
And
And
I'm
he
putting
is
you on
the,
mute, okay? I've got someone.
yeah, okay, okay, no issues. But please listen. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. He is the HOD and he is the principal. This person have contains the HOD profile and this person contains the principal profile. Okay. In HOD profile contains all the permissions. Means in the HOD they create in the student record, they create, read, update, and delete. Create, read, update, and delete. But the principal, but the principal only have to create the record and to read the record. To create the student record and to read the record. But it can't be access to this update and delete. But it can't be access to the update and delete. This is called as the object level permissions. This is called as the object level permissions. Okay. So let's see how to achieve on this task. Okay. This is a standard I mean profile, so we can't edit on it. Okay. So HOD profile have created, no, right? So I created on the new profile. Okay, new profile, standard platform user, HOD, save. Okay, HOD and save the users.
Nanda, I'm going to go off this meeting for 5 minutes. I'm just going offline.
Offline, right?
Yeah, yeah. I have to call my owner, yeah.
Okay.
5 minutes. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Okay, can I stop the class?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can I pause the class?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll join you back again.
Yeah, okay, no issues.
Okay. Yeah.
I will pause the class, okay?
Okay. So sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Okay. So Melvin, I created the one profile. Okay. Just
Okay.
I put on the HOD profile. Okay. One thing why we created on the custom profiles by using on the clone method means in the standard profiles we can't modify, but we
Right.
can use, but we can't modify. Okay. So if you want to modify the standard profiles, okay, in our business purpose only, then you need to clone the new profile. You need to clone the profile.
Okay.
That profile you need to rename the whatever the business needs, then we can use them. Okay, so HOD profile. Again I go to the profiles, then HOD profile, edit. See, the professors, I'm the read. Okay, professors, I read the object and only create, not edit and delete. And same position, create solutions, extracurricular these things.
Okay.
By default, external object permissions they given on the read access one. By default,
Okay.
external objects we only read the objects only, not edit and object.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Go for the and click on the save. So just refresh the page. See, you can get the all objects, all standard objects.
Standard objects. Okay.
Okay. Again, go to
Mm-hmm.
the student. You have the new option is there. Means you have the create option. You have the create option. See, only you can read the option. You, no read and no delete.
Right. Hello. 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 Hey, Nanda, I can't hear you.
Surya, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Nanda, I guess.
Hi, Melvin. Nanda went somewhere.
I guess he's got a problem with his internet.
Yeah,
Where
I
is
think in
he?
India, 1 week internet is lockdown.
Oh, okay. We'll just wait. He should be back. There he is.
Ananda.
Yeah, hi. Sorry, suddenly my Wi-Fi is shut down. I using my mobile net.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. All right.
Okay, fine. See, you understand, right? Why
Yeah.
we in the clone button is there?
Hmm.
Because of you have the only permission on
Edit.
create and read permission on.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to in the edit permission also, you want to give an edit permission also. Just click on the refresh.
The client would give you information, right, as to who needs what
Yeah,
access.
everything. Yes,
Okay.
everything they are client they given. Yesterday, already, I mean, I show you na my tickets. How the
Yeah, your
tickets is
tickets. Yeah.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. Student I'm not given. Huh? Which one I given? Department. See, you have the edit option, but in student, you have no edit option.
No.
Edit option is there. So you understood, right? How to given on the these permissions.
Right.
Okay. So
Okay.
next topic is the OWD. Next topic is the OWDs. OWD means organization-wide default settings.
Okay.
Organization-wide default settings means OWD they given the minimum level of access to granted to the users. Okay,
Okay.
minimum level of access to given on the organization.
Mm-hmm.
Most
Okay.
probably these are the different types of OWDs. One
Okay.
is a private, public read or write, public read write transfer, and public full access and controlled by parent.
Okay.
And controlled by parent.
Parent.
Okay, see, I will show you. Okay. If you go for the whatever it is, you go for the sharing settings. Go to the sharing settings. You see this one, organization wide default.
Yeah.
Organization wide default. See, in sharing settings, we using on the every project. Every project you can work on it. You can work on it 100%. 100% you can work on the relationships, profiles, users, and OWDs.
Okay.
Okay. So these all are the objects. These all are the objects. Okay. See, these are the public read or write transfer means what is the access level? What is the access level? What is the access level? If you in the object have the only private access, the object have private. Okay. Just listen. Okay, this is very important. This is 100% very important. Okay. This object contains the private access.
Okay.
Means only which the record owner means who created the record. That person only access the record. That person only sees the record. Rest of the other users can't see that record. Rest of the other
Okay.
users can't see the users. Okay.
Okay.
They have the 100 users is there. Okay. For example, student object. Okay, student object.
Okay.
In the student object, what is the access level is? What is the access level is? Private. Okay. So in the student record created by Shiva, in the student record created by Shiva, these all are the users in the same organization.
Okay.
These all are the users organized in the same organization. Okay. This is the first user is the Shiva, for example. Okay. So only if the student object contains in the private, then only Shiva created one record. Shiva created one record. Okay. So this particular record only accessed by Shiva only. Rest of the all users can't be accessible. Rest of the all users can't be accessible. Clear?
Yeah.
So if the user have public read only, public read. So at the moment, whatever the created by the Shiva is created one record. Okay, some X record. Shiva created some X record. Okay. Some X record. So in the X record, Shiva can edit, delete. This access will be there, Shiva. Okay, but rest of the all users only see, only read the record. Only read that record. Rest of the all users only read the record.
Okay.
Okay, understood, right? Surya? Amana? Mali chapala.
I think he left.
No, he's there.
ఒకసారి
Okay. So why we using the OWDs means they can given the minimum access level on the objects. They can given the minimum access level on the objects. The users of the organization. Okay, the minimum level of access granted to all users in the organization. Okay, whatever the users have in organization, they given us some minimum access, some minimum level of access. What are the access they have? First one is a private, public read or write, public read, write and transfer, public full access, and control by parent.
Right.
And control by parent. Okay. If the object contains private, the object contains private. Okay.
Right.
At the moment, who created the record? Who created the record? See, in organization, every user have the same objects. Okay. They access on the every objects. They access on the every objects. But they given on the record level access. They given on the record level access. First one, profiles and permissions are given on the object level access. In the OWD is given on the record level access.
Okay.
Record level. Okay. So in OWD completely given for the record level access. Okay. So whatever the object contains private, so on the particular object who created the record, that user can access the record. Rest of the all users can't be accessed. The Shiva created the X record. Only Shiva can see, can read, can edit, can delete. The rest of the all users can't read, can't see, can't anything.
Okay.
Surya, అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు? Next, public read. Next one is the public read. So Shiva created the X record. So in the Shiva, they can read, edit, delete the record. Rest of the all users only they can read the record. They can read the record. But
Okay.
it can't be updated, it can't be deleted. But they can access the record.
Okay.
They can access the record. Okay. If the record contains read or write, the record contains read or write means only it can be update the record. It can be see the Shiva created the X record. Rest of the all users, it can be read the record, it can update the record.
Right.
It can read the record, it can be update the record, but it can't be delete the record. It can't be delete the record. Clear?
Yes.
Sri, అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
Okay. One second. And public read write transfer. Public read write transfer. Okay.
Okay.
See, Shiva created the record. Okay. And one user is there. Okay. Some X user or Melvin.
Right.
Okay. User name is Melvin. Is the Shiva. Okay. Shiva created the record. Shiva created the record. This record transfer to this Melvin. This
Okay.
record,
Transfer.
this record transfer to this Melvin.
Okay.
Only this access comes under this public read write transfer.
Transfer.
Okay.
Okay.
Public full access means complete access means to create the record, to read the record, to edit the record, to delete the record, to transfer the record.
Right.
To transfer the record. This is
Okay.
comes under this full access. సరే అర్థమైందా? And final one is the controlled by parent. Final one is the controlled by parent. In the controlled by parent means in the relationship in the previous classes I told you na parent to child relationship.
Parent to child.
That is the master detail and lookup relationship. Master detail and lookup relationship. In the master detail comes under to this in the child record completely depend on the parent record. Completely depends on the parent record only, right? What is the master detail main functionality? If the master detail if the record contains if the record deletes the master detail, corresponding child records also deleted. Child records also deleted. Like if the whatever the access in the parent record, okay, parent record, corresponding child record also same access. Corresponding child record also same access. Example, your parents have in the same properties. Your parents have in the same properties. That properties is also accessing you are also same access, right?
Right.
Same access. If the parent lost the property, you also lost that property.
Lose. Yeah, that's right.
Yes. So likewise, so you depend on your parent. You depend on your parent, right?
Correct.
Likewise, in the records also, whatever the parent record contains same functionality, in the corresponding child object also have the same functionalities, have the same level of access.
Okay.
So in the parent record contains private, in the child record also have the parent. In the parent record have the public read access. In the child record also have the public read access.
Okay.
Okay, in the child record completely depend on the parent. Means the child record controlled by the parent. This is called as the controlled by the parent.
Okay.
See, this is the some of the examples. Okay. If the private If the private, if you define the OWT as a private and object, only owner of the record can access the record and perform read, write, transfer operations on the record. The rest of the other can't be accessible. Okay.
Okay.
These all are the, definitions and some examples. Definitions and some examples.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Surya, అర్థమైందా? Okay. Next one is the role. Next one is the role hierarchy. Hello?
I don't know.
Okay. Role hierarchy. See, in every company they have one specific role is there, right? CEO role and CFO, COO, SVP, and human. Some specific roles is there, right? Human resources.
Yeah.
So likewise, in Salesforce also depend on some roles to divide on the record level access. To define on the record level access. Okay. Whatever to create on the whatever to given the company. Okay. Whatever to given on the company means in my client I'm given in my profile. Whatever they given the company name, Capgemini. Right?
Yep.
Company name is Capgemini. So whatever to given on the company name, that they automatically taken by the here organization name. They given
Okay.
on the organization name. So in the first one is the CEO. He is the founder of the company. He is the founder of the company. Means they can access entire the data. They can access the entire data.
Right.
Right? He is the founder, so they can access everything. So next CFO, they have some limited access to this. Compared to the CEO, they have some limited access to this CFO, COO, SVP, customer service,
Right.
customer support international, customer support North America. These are the regions to given on the different regions. They define some role specific one person.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
If you want to assign any user to this role, or if you want to edit the role, CEO2 in our project contains Dean. Okay.
Okay.
Dean and Dean says, I created a role. I created the role. Okay. If you want to assign any user, just click on the assign button. Just click on the assign button. Whatever the users available in the role, just you can assign. Just click on the save.
Save.
Okay. So likewise, we want to CFO add principal. This role reports to Dean. This role reports to Dean means I'm the consultant. I'm the report to the manager. Manager reported to the senior manager. Senior manager reported to the director. Director reported to the senior directors. The senior director report to the president, vice president, CEO. Correct?
Right.
You are the manager, right? You are the manager. Your reports to the senior manager.
Senior manager.
Correct? And the senior manager reports to some other authorized person. Likewise, in the role they define on the what is your record permissions and who reports to your a higher authority. Higher authorities. Understand?
Yep.
The profile defines the what user can see access in the organization. The role defines what level of records you can see, okay, whom you can report on the some particular person.
Okay.
Understood?
Yep.
Role and profile and OWDs. Have any doubts regarding from this?
No.
Any doubts?
No. Hey, Nanda,
Kanna,
Yeah. Cheppu Surya.
why we want this role hierarchy?
Role hierarchy. Mali
Use
చెప్పాలా?
of this. ఎందుకు ఇది అసలు? What is use
Yeah.
of this? Yeah.
Role hierarchy means what level of access. Record level of access they given on the record level of access means you have some particular limited access, right? You have some particular limited access. In the Dean contains complete record level access, complete access, right? Complete access. So in the principal they given on the in the principal only some limited access, some limited access. What level of access they can depend on the role. Record level only, not contains in the object level, not contains in the object level. Okay, in the profiles and the permissions they can restrict on the record level. They can restrict on the record level. No, right? Only in the profiles and permissions they can restrict. Hello?
yeah, Nanda.
Yeah, I'm sorry. In the profile, mainly given on the application level, object level, field level, correct? Field level restriction. But
Right.
they have any restriction to this record level? Record level restriction they can give, no, right? But
No.
in the OWDs and the roles they given on the record level access,
Right.
record level restrictions. Already given the object contains any these things private. Only which user or owner, which user are the owner to create the record, that user only it can be accessed. The rest of the other users can't be accessed. Means
Cannot.
by in the object contains private. In the object contains private, but in the object contains public read. Who created the record? That person they can do anything, but rest of the other persons only read the records.
Right.
Only can read the records.
Okay.
Okay. Surya, అర్థమైందా? Huh?
అర్థమైంది.
So tomorrow sharing rules, public rules, and queues. The three topics we will discuss. Okay, tomorrow.
Okay, Nanda.
Yeah, and just